Hello guys, in this video I just want to spend a few minutes to explain about tools that we're gonna need to create a database and perform simple queries in VScode. First, I create a folder called database and then open it with VScode. Okay, here we have opened the VScode window and you can try clicking on the extension button on the left. And then you can search database client and then install it. Okay, if you have successfully installed it, don't forget to reload your VS Code and it will look like this. Okay, next we will try to create a database by clicking new file here, and then we will give it a name, for example employee DB. After that, on the left side you can click database and then click create connection or add connection, and then you can see there are several server options like MySQL, Postgres and so on. So here we will choose SQLite and then we will choose database file, open employee.db and then connect. And here you can see that we have successfully connected to the database. You can also see here that this scheme is empty. So we will create a table and insert data into the database. For example, we will create file test.sql and then create a table called sales with the first column is ID and this is gonna be integer primary key, and the second column is products and this is gonna be varchar and will hold character with maximum length is 255 characters, and the prices columns is gonna be integer data types. Okay, before running the query, don't forget to activate database. You can try to right click and then select activate database and then select employee.db. After that, we can click run SQL here. Okay, next we will insert data into each column. For example, insert into sales and prices column with values product 1 100, product 2 200 and product 3 is 300. Okay, and then run the query. After that, open the database and select the sales table. And you can see that we have successfully inserted data into the database. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you.